Hello and welcome back to Spare Time Gardening with me, Simon, and I'm down in our Hampshire garden and I'm in the compass. So first of all, I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who watched our introduction video, took the time to comment, sent messages and shared your thoughts about our new gardening venture. The response honestly meant a lot to us both. Now, starting something new can feel both exciting and a little bit daunting. So hearing your encouragement and feedback has been incredibly motivating, to be honest. And if you watched the video where we announced our venture, you'll know that Donna and I were trying to decide between three possible names. Now, those names we shared were the Garden Path, Open Gate Gardening and Cultivate and Grow. And we asked for your opinions about which one felt right. We had some brilliant feedback. Some people loved the welcoming feel of one name, others connected with the idea of growth and well-being in another, and many of you shared thoughtful reasons behind your choice, which was absolutely lovely to hear. So after reading all of your comments and spending some time reflecting on what this business really represents to us, we finally made our decision. So our new gardening venture will now be called Open Gate Gardening. Now for us, this name really captures the heart of what we want to create. This venture isn't just about gardening advice, although there will certainly be plenty of practical tips, seasonal guidance and ideas to help people grow with confidence. But it's also about creating a space where gardening feels accessible, welcoming and genuinely beneficial for well-being, which we know it is. So as many of you know, gardening has always been a big part of my life. From learning alongside my dad growing vegetables in the back garden, to helping my late granddad at weekends, right through to tending my own gardens, both here in Hampshire and up north in South Yorkshire. And it has been a journey that has really shaped who I am today. So alongside my professional background in well-being and mental health, I've seen firsthand just how powerful gardening can be. It slows us down, it grounds us, it reconnects us with nature and ourselves. So this business will be about more than plants. It will be about confidence in the garden, learning new skills, sharing knowledge and helping people rediscover the calm and satisfaction that gardening can bring. Over time, we'll be sharing all sorts of things as this journey unfolds, from practical gardening tips and seasonal advice to behind-the-scenes moments as we develop the business, develop ideas, and hopefully help inspire others to grow their own spaces too. And this is really just the beginning, and we'd absolutely love for you to come along on this journey with us. So if you're interested in gardening, well-being, learning new skills, or simply enjoy seeing how a small idea grows into something meaningful, make sure you follow us and stay connected. And you can also find more gardening content on this channel, where I regularly share videos from both my South Yorkshire and my Hampshire gardens. And if you haven't already, please like this video, leave a comment, we love hearing from you, and let us know where you're watching from and what kind of gardening content you enjoy the most. Even tell us a little bit about your own space and garden. Your support genuinely helps us shape what we do next. So thanks again for all the comments, for being part of this early stage of our journey. It really does mean a lot to us. And as always, happy gardening and bye for now.